everybody, Erica Serwin here from Pink Buckaroo Designs. I'm going to show you how to use your designer series paper to create a little gift bag. This is perfect for a small gift or even for maybe a treat or a party favor, and it will help you use up some of your designer series paper. I hope you're not hoarding all your paper. I know sometimes we don't want to cut into it, but this is a great way to really use it up. I'm using the Dear Doily stamp set along with one of the framelits for this beautiful little flower, and you can find that in the 2019 Stampin' Up! Occasions catalog. All right, well, let's get started. Let's make our bag first. The measurements that you need will be on my blog. The link is here on YouTube, and there's a PDF at the bottom of that post with the measurements right there at the bottom. Now, you can get 2 bags out of one 12 by 12 piece of designer series paper. The piece you need is 6 by 12. And you're going to measure, you're going to score the long side at 5 1/4 and 6 3/4. Then turn it on the short side and you're going to score it at 1 1/2 and at 4 1/2. There we go, 4 1/2. All right, now you want to get your bone folder. Look at that pattern on the back. Isn't that beautiful? This pack is called Happiness Blooms, and it has some great spring colors. Get your bone folder and run it along these score lines. You're just not going to believe how simple this bag is. If you think you can't do 3D items, well, I'm here to change your mind. This is also great if you need to make a bunch of them. You can get these done in no time. All right, so cut that line right there and right there, stopping at the score line. Cut that one and that one. Then turn it over and get your adhesive. Place some adhesive on the outside of those middle squares and fold one side up. Then place adhesive and use a good adhesive. Use tear and tape or fast fuse, but don't try to use something that's designed for cards only like snail. And now we're gonna fold up these sides like that. There we go. And there's your bag. Isn't that easy? Now I like to kind of pinch the sides like that. You can follow it all the way down. There we go. And you could do lots of things to keep it closed. You could leave it open if you want. You could use a clip, but we're going to just take a hole punch a hole right there in the middle, and take our ribbon and tie it closed. This is the lovely lipstick Grosgrain ribbon. It's a 1/4 inch. It's very skinny. It won't bulk up your project, and it's quite affordable. All right, let's see. We're going to cut that off, and I like to leave the ends of my bows a little bit long when I'm doing something like this because they can hang down. All right, there we go. So in a pack of Stampin' Up! Designer Series paper, you'll have 12 sheets. You could get 24 bags made from one pack of paper. We need to make the tag, don't we? Let's do that. I have cut out a lovely lipstick stitched circle. These are from the Stitched Shape Framelits. And I'm gonna stamp the words can't express right here in lovely lipstick. So tone on tone. Now that could be a sympathy sentiment. That could be a thank you sentiment. Words can't express how thankful I am or how much I love you. That's kind of open-ended. You could use that for lots of different reasons. Now, to get our flower, 2 colors, because remember, we have it in Lovely Lipstick and we have it in Call Me Clover. You're going to want to get your Stampin' Write markers. And you're actually just going to color right on the stamp like this. When I was a new stamper, this was the one thing that I just couldn't figure out how they did. And a friend of mine said, it's simple, get your markers, color your stamp. All right, Call Me Clover. Now these little flowers are really fun. I made a project, I made a card where I actually stamped and cut out about 4 or 5 of them and stacked them together, and they were gorgeous. All right, now I'm going to huff on it with my breath to kind of reactivate that ink. and stamp right in the middle of our Whisper White piece. And pull over these doily builder framelits. Here it is right here. And it's going to cut that out perfectly for us. So let's bring that big shot over. Don't want to mess up our project. And I'm going to use my magnetic platform. Got a few things left from the last project I did. Let's put this on here, and the magnetic platform will hold it in place when I get it where I want it so that it won't move when I go through the big shot. All right, one swipe through should be plenty for a simple framelit like this. Look at that. And it is. Now, if maybe you were just making one of these and you wanted to kind of make it go over the top and not keep it quite as simple, do 3 or 4 flowers and make a little bouquet of these beautiful flowers here on the side. There we go. Let's see, one more. I'm going to get my take your pick tool and get a glue dot and put it right under there. Perfect. Now we need just some dimensionals on the back, and we are ready to fill our bag with maybe some jewelry, maybe some cookies, maybe some tissues for someone who might need them. All right, you guys, there you have it. A fun, easy treat bag, gift bag, using your Designer Series paper. I challenge you to chop your DSP, cut it, use it. Don't let it hide in a cabinet somewhere. Show it off. Please hop back over to my blog and grab that PDF. It's yours, has the measurements and all the products that I used, and let me know if you have any questions. Thanks, everybody. Have a great day. Bye-bye.